Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel. And you all know that today is Saturday and we are going to see that retirement portfolio video, right? So you all know that we are going to see what is this retirement portfolio and how profit, loss, which one profit, which one is coming loss, like all these things we are going to see today, right? So before starting this, you all know about this, but still, my channel name is Be Inspired. Please share, like, subscribe my channel. So friends, without getting late, we'll start the video. Okay, so here you are going to see two words, that is mobile app, that is nothing but Quora and Upstocks. Okay, so before going to this, I will just say about I'll show you the login page of Quora. So I'm showing you, this is the login page of Quora, and in this, if you just go for sign up, here the sign up button is there. You are going to fill the details, and of course you all know about this. I'm not going to do anything extra about this. I just want to show you that I just want to say two lines about Quora. It is an online platform for mutual fund investments in India, and it is operated by Aruk Advisory Services Private Limited, a company which is headquarters in Bangalore. And the word Kubera came from the word Kuber. Kubera is nothing but lot of treasures or riches, according to our Hindu mythology. So from there the word Kubera came. Kubera, from here the word Kubera came. So this is about, and it is direct mutual funds without any fee or commissions. Okay, so it is very good wealth management platform for us. And not only this, Kuvera, if you want to start investing in US market, but that too from India itself, then you can invest in US market also. So this is one of the best thing about Kuvera, is that it is combined with vested. So diversify with US stocks, zero commission, starts with $10. If you want to start investing, you can just go through even this also. And if you want like the procedure, how can we invest in US stocks from India, I just already prepared a video. I'm going to share you a link of this also, and if you want, you can just go through that and you can get easily to get invested into stock market. So within this three simple steps, by using this three simple steps, you can start investing in US stocks, that too from India. Just remember that. So coming to the next mobile app I'm using here is nothing but that is Upstocks. So this is the login page of Upstocks, and if you are not have an account, just go through create new account. If you press this, you'll get all, or otherwise if you have an Upstocks account, just go to sign in into Upstocks Pro. You can go even in this way also. This is the way you are going to log in into that. And you know, Upstocks is renamed. Previously Upstocks name was as RKSV Securities, and after that it is going to change as Upstocks. And you know how the Upstocks came? We have an idea. Let's see if there is a way to make trading easier and cheaper. Based on this idea, the Upstocks word came, and the Upstocks came into the market. The company becomes the first in the industry to launch unlimited trading plans at particular fixed price, and the trading turnover hits 4,000 crores also. And it rises a Series A round with the Kalari Capital, Ratan Tata and GVK Davix to help accelerate technology rollout and operations. So this is all Upstocks is going to do, and the Upstocks founders are R is nothing but Ravi Kumar, and SV is nothing but Sri Vishwanath. So they are the founders of Upstocks, and these three are friends, and Ravi Kumar and one more is there, his brother. So both are brothers, and then they both, along with his friend Vishwanath, combinedly put this platform, and now this platform is very easy for us to do. Okay friends, and this is about Upstocks and Kuvera, and now we'll come to our project first. So in this, if you are going to see this, here you are seeing two pie charts here. So first we'll go with one pie chart, and here the pie chart is explaining that amount invested breakdown by mobile app. So my investment, the highest amount I invested in Upstocks, that is 65.9%, and the second highest amount I invested in Kuvera, that is 34.1%. And this is about, this pie chart is explaining here. And now coming to this pie chart, amount invested breakdown by invested vehicle, and you all know that my invested vehicle are here. My invested vehicles are here, ETF, mutual funds and stocks. So coming to this, the highest amount I invested in ETF, that is 62.7%, and second highest amount I invested in mutual funds, that is 34.1%, and the least amount I invested in stocks, that is 3.3%. This is about this pie chart. Now we'll move on to the next thing. Now if you observe here, you are going to see two bar graphs, and this bar graph name is percentage of profit since invested breakdown by mobile app. So up we saw the pie chart. Now this is the amount invested, and now this is saying about how much profit I got since my investment, not from now, from when I started my investment, from there to till today it is going to show. So this bar graph is explaining about the highest amount, the highest profit I got in Upstocks, that is 48.58%, and second highest profit I got in Quora, that is 34.54%. So coming to the second bar graph, and this bar graph is explaining about percentage of profit since invested from breakdown by invested vehicle. And here you are seeing so many times ETF, ETF, ETF. ETF is nothing but exchange traded fund, which is unlike regular mutual funds trades like a common stock on stock exchange. And the units of an ETF are usually bought and sold through a registered broker of a recognized stock exchange. And here my registered broker here is Upstocks. From Upstocks I purchased ETFs. The units of an ETF are listed in stock exchanges, and the NAV varies as per the market movements. Since units of an ETF are listed in the stock exchange only, they are not bought and sold like any normal open-end equity fund. An investor can buy as many as units as he or she wishes without any restriction through the exchange. So in simpler, we can say that ETFs are funds that track the indices such as CNX, Nifty, BSE, NSE, like that. When you buy shares or units of an ETF, you are buying shares or units. So in this way you can go for ETFs. Okay, so that is the reason we are going to purchase ETFs. And ETF combine the range of a diversified portfolio which with the simplicity of trading a single stock. So this is about your ETF. Okay, so in generally you can just remember that it is an exchange traded fund. Like, it is not like our mutual funds, it is a little bit different, and it based on our indices also. Okay, so I purchased some ETFs from Upstocks. Now coming to this bar graph, what this bar graph is explaining to us, we'll see here. So this bar graph is explaining what the highest profit I earned in ETF, that is 49.93%, and the second highest profit I earned in mutual funds, that is 34.54%, and least profit I earned in stocks, that is 22.73%. This is about these two bar graphs are explaining here. Now we'll move on to the next thing. Now if you observe, here also two bar graphs are there. So what is this bar graph? Percentage of profit since last week breakdown by mobile app. So this is very important. From last week to this week means nothing but November 14th to November 21. And here I can see the highest profit I earned in Upstocks from last week to this week, that is 1.51%. And the least profit I got in Quora, that is 0.41%. This is about your mobile app. And now coming to the investor vehicle. See here, you are seeing a very red color, you are seeing a red color here, and that too this graph is down. Means what? Automatically red color means I am in loss, and down means it is saying very clearly that you got loss in stocks. That too how much loss I got in stocks is 0.99%. Approximately 1% I lost in stocks. I got loss in stocks. So coming to the investor vehicle, I got highest profit, that is in ETF, exchange traded fund, and the profit I got is 1.62%. And automatically here we have second highest profit, that is mutual funds, 0.41% I earned in mutual funds profit. So here stocks I got a loss, that too approximately 1% of loss I got. Now if you observe here, we are comparing these two, both belongs to mobile app. One is pie chart, one is bar graph, and this is saying amount I invested, and this is saying explaining that how much profit you are getting according to your investment. So if I am going to compare these two things, I can easily understand that whether I am keeping my money in a proper manner or I have to change myself. I can think by comparing these two graphs. So here I invested the highest amount I invested in Upstocks. Of course I got highest profit in Upstocks itself, that is 48.58%. and the second highest amount I invested in Kuvera, and I got second highest profit in Kuvera itself, that is 34.54%. Now according to this, when you are going to compare these two things, what you understood, we can easily understand that how I invested, my investment is going in a correct way, because highest amount and I am getting highest profit, and second highest amount, second highest profit. So that is the reason there is no problem according to this pie chart and bar graph. Now we'll move on to the next comparison. Now coming to this comparison, both belongs to invested vehicle. Of course you know this is the amount invested pie chart, and this is the percentage of profit bar graph. Now when you compare here, the highest amount I invested in ETF, of course I got highest profit in ETF itself, that is 49.93%, and second highest amount I got in kept in mutual funds, and here also I got second highest amount profit in mutual funds, that is 34.54%. Least amount I invested in stocks, and of course I got least profit in stocks itself, that is 22.73%. So by comparing these two things, what you can understand, according to your investment only you are getting profits, means your investment is in the correct procedure, right? Now coming to this, so here we got loss in stocks. So which stock was gaining more loss, that we will see here today. So these are the stocks I have: Reliance, ITC and Asian Paints. So this is about November 14 price list, and this is the November 21st price list, and according to that profit is there, but we need from last week to this week. So Reliance is showing 290 rupees 70 paise loss, that is nothing but minus 4.85% of loss, heavy loss I got in Reliance stock. And then ITC was in good profit itself, that is 2.45%, and Asian Paints is showing a loss, a little bit loss, that is 40 rupees itself. So overall I got loss in stocks is 184 rupees from last week to this week. My loss, that is the reason, because in this heavy loss I got in Reliance only. Heavy loss I got in Reliance, that is 290 rupees. And my ITC is in profit, that is the reason it is at the last, finally the stocks in invested vehicle, the stocks is showing little bit of loss, that approximately 1% of loss I am facing here. So if you are going to compare this, what we can understand in stocks, Reliance is, this week Reliance market was very low in stock market. This is the thing we can understand. I hope you all understand my video. If you find it interesting to you, please share it with your friends. And if you find this is helpful for you also, just please share it with your friends. Thank you for everyone for listening this.